Good morning, it's Sunday. And you know what that means? Art and architecture. Fun fact, sometimes we hide a fake. Is today one of those days? Which of the following is not a traditional element commonly found in Japanese gardens? Correct, gnomes. The Pan-American Unity mural, originally created for the Golden Gate International Exposition, was painted by which renowned artist? Boom. Correct. Diego Rivera. What is the name of the elaborate rose-shaped window commonly found in Gothic cathedrals? Correct. Rose window. Which of these online platforms is primarily dedicated to online art auctions? Correct. ArtSpace. Which of the following was a significant advantage of the calotype process, developed by William Henry Fox Talbot over the daguerreotype? Boom. Correct. Ability to create multiple prints from a single negative. Which of these is a key element of a cottage garden style? Nailed it! A mix of ornamental and edible plants. Many museums utilize climate control systems to preserve sensitive artifacts. What is the primary threat that humidity poses to art? Correct, all of the above. What is the name of the process where art forgers intentionally damage or age an artwork to make it appear older? Nailed it, antiquing. What is the term for the percentage-based fee paid by the buyer to the auction house in addition to the hammer price? That's right, buyer's premium. After the Bauhaus closed in 1933, many of its key figures emigrated to which country, significantly influencing design and architecture there? Boom. Correct. United States. New trivia every day. Tomorrow's category, geography. Be there.